Make sure you check out my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking 6 of these little glass bottles and removing the corks out of each of those, and I'm going to save the little corks in case I want to reuse them for these bottles. Next, taking this little wooden pallet from Dollar Tree, this is the larger size, I'm going to glue the back of the glass bottle and just place that in the center. I'm going to put 2 bottles on this one. Now you can either place the bottles higher or lower, but I wanted these to be even. So this is what it looks like after I have them glued on. And I'm actually going to be making 3 of these with 2 glass bottles per little wooden pallet. And here's what it will look like once you have all 3 completed. Now you can make more or less of these depending on how many you want, but I just wanted 3. Next, I'm going to take these spring flowers. I have a purple, a white, a yellow, and a pink. Now I was going to use the pink, yellow, and purple, but I decided to go ahead and use the yellow, pink, and white. So you'll only need 1 piece off of each of the colors. I'm just going to place it in the bottle and then cut it the desired length that I want. Now for the second one, I'm going to have to remove some of the little foam beads on there. That way I have the little green stem for inside the bottle. But once I have those removed, I'm just going to trim the top to make them even. And this is what the first one looks like in yellow. And I'm going to repeat the same process for the pink and for the white. Next, I'm going to take this jute twine that I got at Dollar Tree and cut 6 pieces, and I'm just going to tie that around the top of the bottle, and then I'm going to trim off the excess. That way I just have a little bit off, kind of resembling a bow. And this is what it will look like, and I'm going to repeat that on all 6 bottles. And this is what it looks like once all 6 bottles have the twine.